If my kids had to come by and see this, how would you explain it to them? I'm telling you right now.
Trying to behave.
Got it. Yep.
I'm an American. Who knew?
Hurry up.
On the 18th of October 2025, Fairhope police officers responded to a political demonstration along Greeno Road in Alabama during the No Kings rally. Among the protesters was a 61-year-old woman wearing a controversial costume while holding a political sign. What began as a peaceful protest quickly escalated into an unexpected confrontation after an officer determined her outfit was inappropriate.
If my kids had to come by and see this, how would you explain it to them?
Are you recording?
I am recording. I'm recording right here. I am telling you right now, if my kids had to come by and see this, I would like to hear how you would explain to my children what you're supposed to be.
What a pun is?
I want you.
Understand what a pun is?
Let me get another unit over here. I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me why.
Being detained? If not, I'm going to go ahead and go this way.
I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now.
Sir, leave him alone.
Turn over. On your belly. On your belly.
Walking away.
On your belly.
That's absurd.
I told her to take it off. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
She's gonna take it off.
Give me your arm. I want your arm now. I need somebody. Give me your arm now.
Walking away.
I told her to take it off.
Right here.
And what ordinance was she in violation of?
It's disorderly conduct.
You could not cite.
It's disorderly conduct.
I checked
All right,
your
grab this arm.
Walking away. Trying to get away from you. Trying to behave.
Got it. Yep.
15 seconds as he was walking away.
Other arm. Let me have your other arm. Thank you. This is a family town, and I'm not going to have somebody out here dressed like this. You understand? This isn't abusive.
You need to come work for us.
Here, back up. Give us some space.
All right. Come on, have a seat. Watch your step.
I can't see anything.
What law did you break?
Now, I'd like for her to take this off.
I know, they can't seem to cite an ordinance. They never can.
What ordinance does you break?
There you are. Can you see me? Okay.
Now I can.
Sit back. Sit back. Now, what you're going to do...
That's as high as my butt goes.
I understand.
And
Look.
it's cramping my leg.
I know. Listen to me. We're kind of having to fight this suit. So I want you to sit back. You're going to... This leg right here. You feel my leg right here?
Okay.
I want you to raise this leg until it's on mine. There you go. And then you're going to slide straight back in, okay?
Oh, can somebody pull me in? I can't slide because my hands are fixing to
All right,
bleed
stand
from
up.
these
Stand
things.
up. Stand up. Okay. Stand straight up. I get it. We're going to rock that over here. All right, come with me.
What are the charges?
Here, you roll that up.
What am I charging?
Got it? Yep.
I ain't got the other side. We might go.
Hey, I need you to get back, okay?
You counsel.
I need you to get back, okay? I need you to get back.
Right now.
All right, step in. Pick up your foot. There you go. Step in.
My head! I am an ASL interpreter and my hands are killing me.
Turn around. Turn around. Scoot back in. Scoot back in. Scoot back in.
I am trying.
He's going to help you. The officer is going to help you.
I can't. I can't.
You got to get this suit on. Yep. All right. We're going to get the suit out. Come on, step
Can my
out.
person get my suit off?
No, we're going to take it off of you. Come on, step out.
Take the suit off.
All right, uncover.
I know, but they
All right. Uncover and let's take the suit off.
That been red or red?
Okay. Y'all mind backing up first, please?
We have not read her rights. Why not?
So
They've not done anything.
I'm gonna take these hands.
That's fine. We're gonna get legal. I got you. You can stand over at the sidewalk right now.
We have to be able to observe.
You cannot stand this close.
Why not?
Again, for officer safety reasons, you guys gotta back up.
I'm her husband.
Okay.
Stay right here. Don't move,
Back
okay?
up to the sidewalk right now, please.
All right, got the handcuffs off. You're gonna take this off.
What's your name?
Aunt Tifa.
Antifa. Can you tell me where the zipper to this is?
It's in the bag.
Okay. Antifa, I'm not trying to be difficult with you, ma'am. I'm trying to... No, I'm not trying to violate your freedom of speech. I'm trying to preserve a town that has values. All right, put your head down. Put your head down. We'll come over the top. Put your head down.
I got in. Let me forget.
Okay, all right. You're exactly right.
All right, let it drop. Pass your
All
feet,
right,
okay?
pull your feet out.
We're right here, 5 below. All right,
Pull your
step
feet
out
out.
of it. Step out of it.
Pull your feet out.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Oh, wait. What is that? My American flag shoes. What? I'm an American? I'm an American! Who knew?
Hurry up.
Who knew? I have rights! Who knew?
All right, no, leave that there. We'll take it. Step
We'll
over.
grab it. All right.
You're gonna
Put
take
it-
my property
put 'em-
too?
All right, turn around. Put your
Hey, put them on the front. Put them on the front. They're on the front. Hands in the front.
Fairhope. In Fairhope, a single tax colony that children have been cheering me on. I walked from
No
Subway.
child's going to cheer you on dressed like
Yes,
a waiter.
they did.
The woman was taken to the ground and placed under arrest for disorderly conduct. Bodycam footage of the incident later became the focus of a legal dispute, with her attorneys arguing that the arrest violated her First Amendment rights. Want to see what happened next? Click the video on your screen.